here with Ma T. This is actually her second time riding in the car. The first time she rode in the car, it was on full bolt-on stage 2. You know what that is, don't you? MHD stage 2 plus. Sound any different from the last time you rode in it?
Oh yes, definitely.
No more?
Nope. I enjoyed it. It's just I don't like going too bad.
Have my way around this bitch, I'm having motion.
Pop up his ad on the screen. But we have Dawson's vet here too. I will pop his ad on the screen. The vet owner is out. Go ahead and pump that 93, son.
I'm about to put diesel.
Put some diesel in it. Big high ram for the vlog, man.
You gonna let me drive it?
Leo, flip the beat, yo.
Fuck that bitch, ain't no respect for that little bitch.
Comment below how you feel about the Supra, everyone. It is a 2020, literally just on a catless downpipe and a custom 93 tune. I actually did just get it dynoed recently. I think it was around 490 wheel.
I seen the type of nigga she fuck with no.
Put a bully beat down. All the inline sixes, gang bang in the vet.
Might have turned into a Mustang owner and swing it into them.
Dang, we're telling Quay to pull in. Them motherfuckers keep on going. Uh-oh. Big V8! Woo! Woo! Quay, that's why I said we keep telling you to pull in. Sound crazy. Your back end just tucked too.
Might have turned into a Mustang owner and swing it in.
Boosted Maury. Oh my God, Maury. I hope everyone did like the POV in the Supra though. Soon we will be getting a POV in the big 335. And he said he's gonna let me drive it.
I said that.
Didn't Mari say he's gonna let me drive it, Nick?
Well, he said only black people allowed to drive first.
What?
So fucked up. You know, then you can get in
fucked.
there.
That's fucked.
Yeah.
Misfire, not in fourth, but in fifth that time. Low gears, but when I start in fourth, it just shits itself. Fortunately, it still is misfiring, but I swear it feels like it's running a lot more fluent now, and it did pull through fourth gear to red line and misfired in fifth this time. But also wanted to say to everyone, by the time you are seeing this, the first prototype of my intake will probably be given away and the winner will be chosen. Comment below if you do want me to do another headlight intake giveaway on this design that's fully functional and ready to go with a blinker and headlight, 100% legal.
Yeah, Camo AP, I'm a soldier. I got old money,